Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2020 17 Montauk. Absolutely perfect boat for around the Naples area especially. Let's start with the white hull. It's got the trailer included with the fold-out ton. Fits in most trailers. Let's hop on board and see. Here we are on board the 17 Montauk. We'll start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the Mercury Verado 115. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Hops right on the plane, gives you good top end as well. It's got the live well under the helm seat, which has the reversible seat here for when you're driving the boat. And as we move to the helm, it's got your dials and gauges, everything here. But you've got plenty of room here for a GPS. You've got your Fusion stereo there as well. We've got the fishing tackle boxes recessed, and then we've got nice dry storage underneath to keep knapsacks, towels, and anything you don't want to get wet. It's got the teak applications on the sides, and as we move to the bow, we've got the cooler that doubles as a seat. You can seat two people up here, and it also has the bow cushions for just sunning yourself if you're just out having fun on the water for the day. And it's also set up for the trolling motor as well. So the boat has everything you need to hop out in the water. It will go out in the Gulf comfortably as well as the backwaters. If you've got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.